All right, Katie, ready to go? Okay, let's see what else Mommy wants. Guess what?
Yay, great!
Yeah, you want the green ones or the red ones?
Green.
All right.
I want a horse.
Okay, but no eating them.
Okay.
Wait until we paper them, okay, sweetie? All right?
All right.
All right, let's go. Did you like the grapes, sweetheart?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, then. Which one do you think Mommy wants?
Blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
Okay, blue it is, then. One more grape. Oh, my God, the grapes are wrapped. Let's go home.
Your receipt. Have a great day. Hey, sweetie. How you doing today?
Good.
Good. Did you find everything you need all right, sir?
Yes, I hardly did. Oh, my God, this baking mix session must be for women only.
You are not the only man to come here and complain about that, trust me.
What are you laughing at? You've been laughing all day long. Give me the thing. Oh, almost forgot.
What did you do that for?
Guilty.
I know you're good.
I'm not guilty.
I think these are yours.
Thank you. Ready?
Bye.
High five. Woo.